Sun and sirens. Do you have that tracker? The one with Rena's contact keyed into it?
I'm so glad that's not me.
Right here.
In that traffic. Oh my God, I don't think I could ever do that again.
That way. Just under.
Okay. This is the entrance to, as the sign says, Cedar Hills State Park. Well, happy Wednesday morning. It's September 3rd, 2025, and behind me on that saddleback is the sun trying to peek over. We're going up the Fenceline trail all the way around to Duck Pond, Plum Valley, and the last part of the Talala trail. Anyways, I think my traveling partner is ready. Let's see, let's ask her. Kira, are you ready? Are you ready to go? Okay, let's go. And our trek begins. Ooh, wet grass, but that's because it's a nice cool morning. Yay. Strange how when I first start off, sometimes I just feel like giving up because it seems like it's just too hard. But when I get done, it never feels that way. Okay. Here we are. Ooh, the grass looks like it's grown up another 2-3 inches since we've been up here. Probably more. All right, uphill. I always take these hills in little stints because it's steep, it's hard. Okay. Here we go. Oh, yeah, up there. Up there, gotta keep going. Those are feral hog tracks. There's another one there, too. Seems to be a problem here because they really tear things up. I mean, they really tear things up. Okay, so this is my payment for walking up here. Well, there's still more up to go, but not quite as a severe angle as this down here. That looks out over the city of Grand Prairie. Okay. Keep going, girly, girly. Boy. Okay. Now, on this part of the escarpment, we are just about at the high point. The only problem is you can't see any of that stuff from the high point because it's all occluded by trees. Oh. With almost every step coming up that hill, it just felt like stopping, like just giving up. But I can't do that. Because of moments like this, when it doesn't feel that way, when it feels really good to say, wow, I came up that hill. I did that. My body might rebel a little bit with some burning in my thighs and my calves, but hey. Anyways, onward. Kira, lead the way. Oh boy. Yeah. I'm seeing sunlight through the tree there. So that's our sunrise. Okay, here we go. Downhill. Yay, downhill. Wet grass. I really got to be careful now. That dew-soaked grass will just let me slide down. Oh, downhill. Okay, let me see if I can get us out of here. Wow. Okay. No fall, no slip. No fall, no slip. Halfway down this steep hill, something catches my eye, so I gotta stop and take a look at it. And it's these guys here. Just filled with these little tiny flowers. Just like this little bouquet. I'm coming, I'm right here behind you. Oh man. Okay. And there we go. Okay, this one's for you, sis. Look at that great big gigantic mullein leaf. Yeah. Oh man. I've seen a bunch of it already in bloom. That was like a month ago. Back amongst the wild clematis. I mean, it is a vining plant. This is it growing way out here. There's even a flower right there of it. All this stuff. All this is clematis growing out here. Wow. It's a whole new plant right there. Huh. And there it is. That's the hill we got to go up right there. And that little gap up there at the top. That's where we got to go. I said it the other day and I'll say it again. This tall grass is kind of dangerous because you can't see the ground. Oh, there it is. And that gap up there. Gap is where we are headed. And we edge closer to it. It really is quite a hill to climb up. And then can't even see the bottom down here. Water today. Somebody's getting some water. Does that mean you're not going to need a water break? I guess so. Well, come on, let's get to it now. I'm going to keep this thing running as I climb across here in case I fall. Y'all can have something to laugh at. Ooh, that rock just seems slick. So, keep my feet flat on it. Okay, I did not fall. I think congratulations are in order. Okay, now all we got to do is just simply walk up this hill. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, sweetie. And of course the turnaround view. Gotta have that. Okay. Up around that turn there. Hanging up. Oh yeah. If I die of a heart attack, just want everybody to know I did it. I died having fun. Just letting you know. Whew. And this is the piece of territory that killed me. Up there. Okay. Whew. Moly. Oh. Mm. 30 feet to the top. Hey. Oh. Huff and puff. I know y'all hear a lot of that from me. A little bit of gravel you see right there is the last of it. Oh yeah. Okay. Whew. Oh, it's better. Not really, but sometimes you just gotta lie to yourself. Oh, the hilltop. I know, sweetie. You're such a patient, good girl. Whew. I'm calling water break. Okay. I'm calling water break. Whew. Okay, so I'm out here for my cardiovascular health. I'm out here for my mental health. And above all that, I'm out here for her mental health and physical well-being. All that being said, I also want you to know I'm out here for you. In case you can't do this, I can, and you get to see what I see and experience what I experience. I hope. I also do this for all the people that can't do this because they're not here. You know, people we've lost along the way due to disease and regular, just normal death, and war, famine. Not that I know anybody that has died of famine, but I've known people that died of war. But still, there's lots of people that can't do this simply because they're not here anymore. So I sort of do it for them too. Yeah. Anyways, I don't hear a slurping sound anymore. That means she's done with her water, and we have to keep putting foot down on the ground. We will see you when we get started here. All right, kiddo, you all watered up. I am too, a little bit rested, and we got a nice long downhill to go, don't we? Yes, let's go. Come on. Yes, we're going this way. I'm coming. I'm just being careful. They're going to be opening the trails today. I know they are. This ground's dry. It's cracking. You know. You know, the regular trails, after a few days of it not raining, the surface turns to powder from all the people walking across it. Then I guess when it does rain, if it rains hard enough, all that powder just gets washed down little by little. Boy, it's a lot cooler over here, really. Last two times we've been back here, this is where we would stop for a water break because it's flat and Really nice. Hear aircraft, but I really don't hear any road traffic. Yep, the sun's coming up fast. That's a perception, that's not a reality. The sun's moving at its normal pace, which really just simply means the Earth is spinning at its normal spin speed. Down, down, down. Hoping to do this again on Friday. We'll do it in the opposite direction on Friday though, okay? We'll go on. Ooh. I think leg would be a phone call. Hey. And here we go. This is the turn where we go back to the duck pond. In case you didn't catch it on another video, this was part of a construction road that came back here to the duck pond so they could put a new drain in the dam of the duck pond. That's the actual duck pond trail right there. And it does, duck pond trail does go this way. It was just the shortest distance they could travel without trouble, I guess. Because this is all Corps of Engineer land. And they can't cut any more trees or do anything else without state approval. Okay, baby, yep, we're going this way. Somebody's been walking in sticky mud. Okay. I'm coming, Lovey. She's always so patient with me. All right, Lovey. Okay. I'm right behind you, love. Okay, this is where we make our turn. Go to the right, baby. That way. Oy. Okay. Oh man, face full of cobwebs. Whew. Okay. Got to go over here to the trash can, Lovey. Drop off your bag of poo. Second bag of poo today. The hardest thing about taking a break, especially one where I sit down. This is the getting started again. Okay. Here we go, lovey-dove. We're going this way. Come on. Sweetheart. Such a sweet, lovey girl. Grab a couple of them. A couple of shiny black rocks. Oh boy. Oh, I never did get that stuff out of my shoe. That's okay, it's not bothering me that much. Okay. I guess they think these things are supposed to be some sort of steps. Okay. Sorry, I'm just seeing stuff that's interesting and stopping and picking it up. Okay. I see why they don't want people out here when it's wet. Because I can see just from one person's footprints just how tore up it is. From one person. Because the mud was sticking to their feet the whole way. And that's what was happening. Imagine if there were 30 or 40 people walking through here with it like that. Yeah. See mud that they left on the... I mean, I wanted to walk too, but I'm not going to walk when it tears up the... Oh, trailed off there, didn't I? I do that quite a bit. Natural stairs. Natural easy stairs. Jeez. Oh, this is all tore up pretty bad. I really just want to feel how damp the ground is. Pretty damp underneath. Yeah, it's probably got a half an inch of dry soil. Over the top of, not mud, but just moist soil. Oh man. Yep, this is where we come out of the woods, out into the hot sun. Ooh. Okay. Whew. Okay. I can't go past it without looking at it. Stay back. I'm having you stay back, sweetie, because there's burrs over here. Oh, so pretty. Aren't they? And they are covered with pollinators. There's pollinators all over it. Uphill. Yeah. Not severe, but still uphill. Let's turn to the side and saw that cluster of snow on the mountain in there. We were way down in those woods there. And up to that hilltop. Up to that hilltop. Along that ridge. Yep, that's where we went, or came from. That's where we'll be going Friday. We're going to do this in reverse on Friday. It's actually quite different because the two tremendously steep hills that we climb up are only really steep from that one direction. From the bottom of the hill to the top of the hill. But in reverse, each one has a slope. It slopes upwards until you get close to the crest, and then it's a short little upturn and an increase in the angle. Whew. Hey, 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 get back here. Back here. Yeah, I don't want you over there in the brush. We're stopping here because Daddy wants to look at some pretty purple flowers. I don't know how well I can see those. We'll find out. Come on, love. Come on, lovey. Kira, come on. What were you eating? Ah, man. Okay. It's onward to the scenic overlook. But we want to go Plum Valley. Come on, lovey. Hey, stay here with the daddy, though. Wait. Walk with the daddy. Okay, let's cross. Cross, cross. I showed you all one of these before. And all it is just a single flower on a stem. And that's all that it is. I don't see any more plant to it. I've never seen any more of it than just that. Now here is something I haven't seen. I showed you that white flower just a second ago. And here's a whole bunch of them. Two that haven't opened, two that have. Two over there, one that hasn't opened yet. They're just lovely little flowers. Huh. Oh, I'm starting to see quite a few of them around me. But they're all the same way. One single flower on top of a single stem, no leaves, no nothing. Just the flower and the stem. I wonder what's underneath. Oh, looky here. Yes, it's the lake. We went over there yesterday, over on that point, and walked around. All the trails were closed. We really couldn't do anything. Didn't want to go back to Lynn Creek Loop. Oh. See, now there's a whole bunch of these little white flowers. And again, I mean, you follow the stem down to the ground and there's just nothing there. Flower, stem. That's it. Zigzaggy through the woods. Zigzaggy through the woods. Come on, get your zig going. I've got my zag right here. Look, one person. Come back here. You see how this is all tore up? This is all tore up. This is all tore up. Clumps of mud that come off of shoes. That's why they don't want people back here when it's wet. Damn. Yeah. And why? That I don't understand, because that couldn't have been very much fun walking around in all this mud. I mean, yeah, I'm greatly disappointed when they closed down the park. They closed it down for walking. But really, oh, it just tears it up, doesn't it? Okay, now Here the ground looks damp. Nothing is sticking to my shoes though. Okay. Yes, my love. We are making it, aren't we? Well, no, that's not. Oy. Oy. Okay, we just crossed the road at the Coyote Run campground. Oh, it's so nice back here. Oh boy. That way to the Talala Trail. Go on, baby. Hey, go. last hurdle. Yes, I'm coming, sweetie. Yay. Senderos no abierto. Oh, just the things I see. Okay. Little bitty ants. Argentinian ants. See how they run crazy? We made it alive. Yay! Anyways, we're out of here now. Everybody know you're loved. Sis, I hope you were on my shoulder today, seeing the things that I was seeing, because you were with me the whole time. I love you, kiddo, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.